Shaira, you know what I need. Okay, you choose first. I will take a seat here, find place for seat. What Shaira you order? New
This is teriyaki chicken don, and then this one is teriyaki chicken special.
chicken special. What different teriyaki chicken don and chicken and special? What
This one is a simple only teriyaki chicken don. This one is kimchi already.
Spicy.
Yes.
But spicy it's okay for you?
It's okay.
I like chicken don. Not spicy. It's good. How much this one? Same price?
Same price, but this one it's you add 10 pesos more.
Only at peso. Special, if you want special, at 10 peso only.
No, it's already automatic there.
Okay.
It,
Not so many people in this restaurant because time now 3:35. Maybe after 5 p.m. more people.